It's a windy day here in Las Vegas. And here's our setup. So we went to IKEA and we found these two kitchen cabinet returns. They're wooden front, but they have drawers, which is nice. And so one of them, our electric cooler, fits right in, and it's going to go right here. The other one's going to go right here, and there's actually going to be about a foot of free space over here. And Tom's going to make some cubbies. I think that'll be really good for the kids. And then the floor. Oh my gosh, it made such a difference, the floor. The dinette's going to go over there. So all this is going to go there. Look at our nice counter. 50 bucks. I think it's for a desk, but, you know, it's fine. Works out perfect. Like, we won't even have to trim it. And so, what do we have left? Fix the kitchen. We're going to paint it Tango Mango. And then tidy up the bathroom. Take out the toilet because we have a camping toilet that we're going to make a composting toilet. We bought some shower curtains. So these tiles from IKEA, they're going to go on the floor here just because, like, even though we'll have it cleaned up, I don't want to step on that when I'm showering. The floor just needs to get extended. The flooring right here. The water tank's there. Tankless water heaters mounted.
In the back.
Yeah, in the back. Put the couches back. That's going to be our main bed. Replace that window that's broken. Trim this piping because the sink is going to be here.
Yeah.
Yeah, because the sink is going to be right here. We don't know what's going to really happen here organization-wise. But yeah, it looks really good. And then, okay, so this is the original, like, 1977 corduroy seats. We had them professionally washed. They've been in the garage for about a year. And I took my Dyson to them. And oh my gosh, they look so much better. So I can't wait to take my Dyson to them and just clean them up really well. So, your phone is in one of the bags. So yeah, that's how it's looking. And then, oh my gosh, this carpet. This carpet. I don't know. So we actually bought some material to switch it out with. But in order to get these chairs out, we have to go under. What do we have to go behind the wheel?
Yeah.
Oh, looks like such a pain.
So take the tires off.
Yeah, so we bought some new carpet to replace this with. I can't wait. And then obviously this needs to get detailed the hell out of it. So it's gonna be so cool. It just feels weird to actually have like I see the light at the end of the tunnel. It's getting there.